So definition and the scope of econometrics. When you see econometrics, term econometrics means economic measurement. About madali yokanimo economic measure gochu yoka madalu jechu econometrics jechuni jechi metrics jedhu actually jechi econometrics jedhu jecha afan lama fanjechota lamarru umame econ and metrics ida metrics jechun a part of the word signify the measurements and econometrics is concerned with the measuring economic relationship kana metrics gabajen metric yoka measure gochu jechu measure gochu jechu gabamat econometrics indami barnota science hawasate why economic variable measure gochu kandanno jechu tennis and it is a social science in which the tools of economic theory, mathematics, and statistics inference are coupled together or coupled, applied to the analysis of economic phenomena, according to Arthur Goldberg. The economics and economics data, Maljada, econometrics in the hybrid field of economics, mathematics, statistics. Koba isa son thani hariru barnota sadin kan wajin kan wal qabate yokan mo barnota sadin kan irratti uumame economics, mathematics and statistical inference isaannan kanni bakka tokkotti gaaf dinnu science econometrics jedhu ni danda'a. Again, this econometrics is an integration of economic theory, mathematics and statistical technique for the purpose of testing hypotheses and about economic phenomena, as well as estimating coefficient of economic relationship and forecasting or predicting future value of economic variable or economic phenomena. Econometrics in refu marjanera economic variable relationship isani jiddu jiru beeku fi forecasting or future economic value tok forecast gochu akkasumas hariiroo isaan jiddu jiru baruuf nu fayyada inni. Kanaaf kana gochuudhaaf barnoota sadiin kana hammachuu qaba economic theory, mathematics, as well as statistical technique kan fayyadamuutiin hypothesis jiru. Yes, goota shanan gara fuuldura inflation biyya kana maal ta'uu danda'a kan jiru hypothesis sar test gochuuf akkasumas estimation of coefficient of economic relationship kan jedhaman sanniin estimate gochuutiif koorsii nu fayyadudha jechuudha.